Today, I will show you YCH's YC135-9 with dozer blade. Wow, it is really a king-size cabin. It is one of the biggest cabins in the same-size machines. This is the suspension seat. You will feel you are driving an excavator sitting on a sofa. Even the space behind the seat is quite roomy for some tools or daily necessities. It has a powerful AC with 8 air outlets, genuine KYB pump, KPM slewing motor and KYB valve from Japan. High-quality hydraulic components ensure precise control. It is equipped with a 86 Cummins QSF 3.8 turbocharged engine. If you want to have an all-round excavator, YC135-9 will be your perfect choice.